Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jost. If this is your first time in my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and to know the pair of notifications. And I'm back in now. It's the time for Lady Gaga. She is my favorite artist ever. She and Sia are actually my favorite artists, and that's all I need. They both are back, and I'm so grateful right now. I haven't heard this song. I am on point to react to it, the video and the song too. I just got home from outside because we are in quarantine, and this was the only day that I could get outside because to buy food and things like that, to buy. And yeah, I couldn't resist. I almost I almost listened to that song, but I didn't. So finally it's here. Let's see what's. Oh my god, it's Lady Gaga. No. I'm so really excited. Did you see that? I'm totally speechless. Some parts of the song just reminds me to The Cue. There's Rihanna. And she's like a butterfly. It's coming down on me. I like the rhythm, so pop, so fresh, is what pop culture needed, really. Rain on May. The simplicity of the song, that's what makes it great. I like the visuals, by the way. In there. And actually it's the first time that I'm seeing and listening to Ariana Grande without doing high notes. Of course, this lyrics has to be. The lyrics have to be a metaphor because I might be wrong, but I think this has to be with alcoholic issues or drinking stuff. I don't know. I have to do some deep research, but because by now I'm in totally zero and I have no idea what it's about exactly, because it's a metaphor of course. It's like focus to the people that actually is going to understand if you went through that stuff, and if not, if you are really open-minded. I had never done that, but I kind of know the story of Lady Gaga because I've been following her since, I don't know, I think the Fame. And I don't know why that just comes to my mind. I like this song, really. But I have to say that I liked more Stupid Love than Rain on Me. The rhythm of Stupid Love is like so, I don't know, it's something that comes to you and you want to listen more and more and more. But Rain on Me, it's like, alright, it's a song out there. I don't know if, it's not that I don't like it, it's one of those songs that I need to listen again to it and I'll get used to it. But I like it, but I prefer Stupid Love. And I'm not saying that I'm not gonna like Chromatica, because I think I'm gonna love it a lot, because Stupid Love was a great start for this era. So let me know your opinions in the comment section below, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and make some recommendations in the comment too. So see you next time, guys.